Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. It's day 8 of backtesting for the whole month of January, so let's dive right into it. So here we have NQ, yes, on the left side here. We are always starting on a daily time frame, guys, and marking out our equal highs. Sorry, previous day high. Oh, previous day high and previous day low. Now, all right, let's jump to the 4 hour now. Oh no, 4 hour. Okay, what does the 4 hour show us? Nothing much. We are thinking that price wants to go bullish because it closed bullish above the previous day on Wednesday, 25th of January 2023. So let's go to the 1 hour. Does the 1 hour tell us something? Okay, January, we don't have anything special. Let's go to the 15 now. We see this gap it's filled. We can see that it's filled, and the price is now pushing higher. And yeah, let's mark out our quarters. Now you should know what by now that we always are going to write down our quarters. So Q1 high, Q1 low, Q2 high. Let's see if we get our Q2 high. Okay, this is probably our Q2 high. Okay, now let's see maybe a move further down to this 15 minute. 50% of this 15 minute fair value gap, or else we might go higher if we take some sort of, let's say we take this sell side liquidity and then we react from this 5 minute fair value gap over here, then we maybe can take a buy from there. But let's see what price wants to do, because we have tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, 3 AM has opened. We do take that low. Now let's see if price wants to respect this 5 minute fair value gap. So we took internal liquidity as well. On the 15 minute, we did reject above here. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so we did take that low, and we do shift structure to the upside. But I do think price wants to go a little bit lower, if I'm going to be honest with you. We can try to take a trade from here. Let's see if price wants to break above. Okay, we do have this fair value gap. We also have this fair value gap that aligns with the breaker block. So let's take this trade. It would look something like that. And let's see if price wants to give us another push higher, maybe to these highs. Let's mark that out. Let's mark this high out. That it's a 1 to 3, perfect. So let's take a market entry from here. No limit order. Let's see if we are getting tagged in, and we are. And I do think price wants to go towards our stop loss, but let's see. Okay, this is Friday and 27th of January, yes, 27 2023. All right, we are in a higher time for beta array. We did take internal liquidity RL. We did have a fair value gap. I don't know if we have an SMT here. I don't think so. Okay, let's see. No, we don't. So no SMT. We did have that change in structure, fix 1 to 2, and yeah, fix 1 to 2, and the size. So let's see if we are going to go further up. We need to go higher, and we got stopped out. So it was like I said, price wanted to go lower into this 5-minute fair value gap, and of course I forgot to paste that link. -1, -1. This is probably a loss because we saw price or the candles not closing fully above the treasure character. As you can see here, we didn't get that much displacement, and yeah. So let's see if price wants to jump from here. I do think price wants to go higher, but let's see. So we tapped that 5-minute. We did take this slow now. Let's see what price does. Nothing for us to do. And now we have gone higher. And of course we did take this low. So maybe this was our manipulation then. And on yes, it's did take this low, so we do have an SMT here. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to go higher. I think so, but let's see. Let's try this now. And this would be our manipulation. So something like this. Let's see. Place order, market, save. Let's see if this would have worked out. Because on the 15 we are very bullish as well. We did take this high, but I do think that this was just a manipulation to go lower to gather some more liquidity, or I can be totally wrong here, but let's see. So it's January 27th of 2023. We are not in a higher time frame. We did take internal, and we did inverse both this and this. So we do have that 1-minute IFG, and I'm gonna mark this out as a change of character up. There you go. And so IFG, we do have that SMT. If I can click it, IFG, and let's mark that. Oh, oops. SMT, SMT. Okay. What is this music? Always something. All right. And let's see. Let's remember to fix. And there we go. So let's see. I do think price wants to come back. Okay. So 1-to-1 should be this high. So let's just mark out 1-to-1. I don't know if it's worth it, but let's see. Alright. Okay, I don't like that rejection. Real do. But let's see. And this is probably a loss, yep. There. Okay. We are going higher. So we aren't stopped out yet. If it can't break above this, we are probably cooked. Yes, we are cooked. We are cooked. Let's see. Oh, no. Okay. Price is moving very sideways. Let's see. Can we get that 1-to-1 at least? Yes, we could do that. Get that 1-to-1, so we are break even. Okay, it took just a fucking long time. Took 4 hours, okay. So it took like 2 hours to get there, but okay, we move. And our 2-to-1 would be there. Let's see if price wants to take that out. I do think we have all this low resistance liquidity now. So let's see if price wants to take some of that before going higher. And let's see. No. Okay. There we go. So we do eventually hit TP. 2 RR, 75%. Let's go. So let's close out 75%. And let's see if we get our final TP. Or actually, let's scale some out here. Let's see what price decides to do. Okay. We do hit that. Let's take a total profit on 3 RR. And of course, we are going to do it. No, we didn't have one -1. And rest in break even. Damn, okay. But 1-to-5, no, we wouldn't hit. Okay. So let's just take a copy of that. We were close to getting tapped out, but eventually it was a win. So win. 2 RR, 75% off. Rests at break even. Okay. So now let's delete all this. Okay. Okay. So we have this relatively equal lows now, so I do think the price wants to go lower. But let's see. Let's go to next session. There we go. Go to 1 hour. What does price show us? We again tap into this fair value gap or this open gap. Let's just keep that in mind. We did take the high. Let's mark out our quarters. This is probably news. Yeah, so this is data high. Let's mark that out as well. Data high. And data low. Now let's mark our quarters. 6 to 7:30. 7:30 to 9. 9 to 9:30. Alright, so this is our Q2 high, Q1 high, Q1 low, and Q2 low would be that data low. So let's just drag that over. Okay. Nice. So we also have these lows, so let's see what price wants to do. And price takes high. So I don't think we want to go lower. Maybe we want to get a reaction from here and then go higher to take out previous day high. But let's see. over bullish. We might get a reversal, but let's see, guys. Okay. So price broke structure here. We do have this IFG, but let's see. Okay. Go higher, and we took out previous day high. So we are very bullish. And we go higher. Okay, so price did go lower. We haven't fully closed below this yet. Let's wait for that close. There we get that close at 10 a.m. open. 1 minute IFG. We did get that change of structure here. So now let's see if price wants to give us a little push down. Our stop should be above this high. And our TP should be inside of this. I do think price don't want to go lower, but let's see. We might tap into this 50% of this 15-minute fair value gap. But let's see. Let's just mark that out. Let's just have it there. Okay. Place order, market save. Let's copy this. Paste it into our Notion. 2023. We took out previous day high, Q2 high, Q1 high. Yeah, did take both sides, so I don't want to mark both out. And we have equal lows, but we're going to take that in the liquidity session. Change of character, IFG. Fix 1 to 2, Q2 low, equal lows. There you go. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're going to get stopped out. That's unfortunate. Link. So this might be the 4 CRT model. So this is loss -1. New one. Our candle open. Maybe price wants to make a wick before giving us the move down. So let's see. This might just be a liquidity grab to go higher. And we are going to go higher. And there we go. We do enclose this 1 minute IPG. Let's see if price can enclose this low. Then I would be more confident. Okay, so price does. Let's see if price wants to come back up and retest this IFG now. And our stops should not be higher than this. Our TP should be 50% of that candle. Let's say, let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's see where the 50% is at. Okay, 50% is right around here. So about 4 RR. Let's see. Place limit save. Okay. Oh. Limit save. There we go. Let's see if we're getting tapped in, and we are. But I don't like that. We are so tapped in all. We're so bullish. Have that momentum. Let's take this trade. I would normally don't take more than 1 trade each session, but we can see we have taken 4. But this is just to get the data. So let's see. IFG, change of character. We did take that Q2 high. Higher time frame beta array. No. We don't have any SMT, right? No SMT. Okay. And fix 1 to 2. Hard drive repeat array. Oh, there we go. Let's see, and I'm getting stopped out. No, not yet. And there we are, stopped out. So let's see. Okay, so this should be a win. I should have put my stop loss above here. So this would be a 1 to 1. Let's see if we would have hit that 1 to 2. And we do actually hit that 1 to 2. And that's unfortunate. And then goes to break even. So this should be a win. Let's fix this mistake of the stop loss being placed too close, guys. That's my bad. Let's proceed. Okay, let's take this away. And let's make this NQ. Yes, 5 minutes. Let's just mark this out. So our entry would be retest of this 1 minute. 1 minute IFG. Our stop should be above the high. There. 35. And 1 to 2. One to 2, there we go. And let's mark out just this. Previous 4-hour candle high. And let's also mark out the 50%. This would be a CRT model. There we go. Okay. Now place this trade, limit, save. Wait for price to come back up. There you go. We did have this. Now let's just delete this and copy this and put it back up here. So I know that we are going to hit that, but since I don't want to take full TP, I would have probably taken 1 to or 75% off. 1 to 1. Let's break even. Okay. 1 to 1 break even. Okay. So now let's just go forward. There we go. 1 to 1. 1 to 2 now. There we go. 1 to 2 is hit. 75%. Save. And the rest at break even. So let's copy that. Okay. So when so our 75% off. Rest at break even. Alright. Let's move on. Let's fix this. Alright, let's go to next and next. Let's see what price has for us today. Let's go back to the 1 daily. Okay. So we do have this high. Previous day high. Previous day low. Okay. Let's go to the 4-hour. What does the 4-hour tells us? We do have this 4-hour fair value gap, but I don't know if price wants to go this deep. But let's see. It's a new week, so let's see what the previous week. So this is always the previous week high. So this might just be the retracement of the week to just go higher. Let's see. I do think that. Let's go to the 50. Okay. And we are somewhat bearish, but overall bullish. We are in a 15-minute time frame fair value gap. Let's go to the 5. Mark out our orders. 130, 12, and 3. Okay. There we go. Need some better music, guys. Okay. Q1 high, Q1 low, Q2 high, Q2 low at the moment. Let's see what price wants to do. It goes slower, so this is our Q2 low now. Let's see if we can take some sort of sell side liquidity to go further down, or if we get our setup now, because we took Q1 low and Q2 low, and we are overall bullish. So let's see. Okay, price now enclose this 1 minute IFG, but I would like for price to enclose this high or take out this high, because we are bearish. Okay, so we are still bearish, going bearish, and we have tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap now. So let's see if we get push up. We do, and there it closed above this high. That is what I like to see. Change of character up, and we did enclose this 1 minute IFG, and our trade should look something like this, and maybe this relative equal highs, or this high. Let's see what price wants to do. Let's take a screenshot of this, copy link, place order, market save. This is 30th, Monday. So Monday 30th, 2023. We are in a higher time repeat array. We did change of character. We have an IFG, and Q2 low, Q1 low. Do we have an SMT? I don't think so. So let's see. Let's go to 1-to-1 and see where that is. Okay, 1-to-1 now. Let's see. Okay, do you think this is a loss? Yeah. So this is a loss. Copy link. And there we go. Q to high fixed. Loss. Oh, no. -1. This is probably a loss because we were so bearish, and after our entry we did not get any momentum, which is a sign that price maybe want to go in that direction, or go in that order flow. Price is in. All right, so let's go to next. Let's see. So price is going towards previous day low. But let's go to the 5. The 5. Okay, let's mark out our quarters. 9, 7:30, and 6. Okay, Q1 low. And Q2 low, we have equal lows there. Q1, Q2 high, I mean. Q1 high. Okay. So 4-hour fair value gap, we are in this now. We are respecting at the moment. But let's see if price wants to go higher. We have somewhat changed character here on the higher time frame. As you can see, we do have this accumulation manipulation to go higher. And let's see if price wants to manipulate and gather some more liquidity to then go further up. But let's see. I might be wrong. Let's see what price wants to do at 9:30. So if we can go lower, that would be good. Okay, we don't. So this may be the fake out to then go lower, yes. Then sellers will be trapped. And let's take this equal lows. Okay, we did take those equal lows. Do we have any we can react off? We don't, or we have this 5-minute fair value gap. If price wants to respect this, let's see. Okay. 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see. Okay, we do. We get that huge push up. Let's see if price wants to give us somewhat push down. Or we can take this. It's a huge stop loss, but let's see. And our take profit should be a 1 to 2. Let's see, is there anything we can target? We have this 15-minute fair value gap, that's okay. We also have this highs over here. So I do think we can go higher, but let's see. Okay. Place, market save. Okay, let's copy this. Still Monday, January 30th. Higher time from Peter Ray. We did take IRL. We have that IFG. And treasure character on the higher time frame. Fix 1 to 2. And higher time frame Peter Ray. There we go. Let's remember to add this file now. Okay, let's see if price wants to go higher. It does. So 1 to 1. We are already at the 1 to 1. So I'm afraid that we are going to be stopped at a break even here. But let's see. 1 to 1 break even. Because we do have this fair value gap, but let's see. 1 to 2. Okay, we do get stopped at a break even. Okay. Copy that. Break even. Let's see if it would have saved us or if it goes to TP. I really do think that we're going to TP, but looks like it saved us. Okay. So this break even did save us from a loss. Nice. And let's say we had taken our position there. 1 to 5. We would have hit 2 RR. Let's just let's mark that out as well, and our 1-to-1 should be there. 2RR. Copy that. If we were to take our trade from our retest of the 1-minute IFG, we would have gotten to our RR trade. So that's good to know. And I don't think we want to go higher now. Okay. Yeah. So that was that session. And next. Okay. Okay, so I do think we are done with that session. I don't know what the hell this candle is, but I do think we are done done with January 2022. Let's see how we ended up. So we can see that our win rate is 38%. Our total trades is 51. We had 12 break-even trades. We are in 1,597 in plus. Let's see how much we would have gone in a bill of a loss on day 8. Okay guys, day 8 we are, let's see, 1633 minus 597. So we are $36 in a loss this session. Not bad. We was at a running P&L of 2.1 at our best. That's good. We can see average RR is 2.81. We did take 24 losses, 15 winners. Best win was 1.41%. And what other can we see? We saw that Friday was very bad for us in January 22. And our best winning days was Wednesday, and Tuesday was actually very good as well. Because we took minimal loss, but also very much winners, or many winners. And the calendar looks like this. So overall, this was a good session. It was a good session, and if, let's say, if we were going to take our best trades, just the good ones, and try to filter out the bad ones, of course, no one can be profitable by just trading. No one can get 100% win rate. But let's say 1 to 2, if I take this, let's look at this. Win rate scale trading. Okay, we do have this. Okay guys, so let's say we have a 30% win rate, then we need a 1 to 3 RR to be profitable. So for us to be profitable, we should have 1 to 3s with this kind of win rate, but we are almost 40%. So, and I know my strategy is over 40 to 50%, so I need a 1 to 2. That's what that's the reason why I'm targeting 1 to 2. And yeah, so no one is perfect, guys. It's very hard to get a 100% win rate. I don't think anyone has that, but eventually over 1 month we would have earned $1,500, and that is pretty good if you ask me. And this or January 2023, this session, all the episodes I've made, we have just taken any trade I have seen. So I'm proud of that. And for the next session, we are going to go over February 2023. And I hope you are going to enjoy that. And I will see you guys in that session.